Just saw an orange 40% off the clearance at the Nike clearance store, so have to stop by Watts. Pretty decent sized crowds here. 40% off the back wall, man. And this is what I'm talking about, 40% off. And then look at these, $90 for the Invincible Run 3s. Holy crap, this is what I've been looking for. This is size 9. My kiddo's, I think, like a 9.5. Some of these running shoes run a little bit big, but I don't think he's gonna want the reds. But $90, you get 40 off. Holy cow, that's what, under 60 bucks? Holy crap. Then got these Jordans right here, 105. So was that 65, 66 bucks? That's crazy. All right, I'm starting in the smaller sizes. We're gonna move up. Size 9 right here, $70. So what does that drop this down to? Holy crap. Holy crap, that is crazy. 42 bucks. Cosmic Unities, $80. These are size 6. Dunks right here, size 9, $150. So that drops these under 100 bucks. Got these in all kinds of sizes, size 9, size 10. Jordan 37s, 2 bills. LeBrons right here, size 8.5, go for 170. Max 1s go for 140. Still not awful, just because the 40% off. Cortez Union, Cortez right here. Just saw the blue. Was it blue and turquoise colorway? Or black and turquoise. Just saw those at orange. Got these a few minutes ago. And look at this, Roshi's 45. So these are what, 30, under $30. Got the Hyper Dunks right here for 100. So 60 for those. Got some Forces down here, 130. That's 10.5 though. 97, size 9. These are 120. 9.5 Golf right here, 150. 85 for these. Dang, so these are under 50 bucks, under $50. Holy crap. And the material on these, I've showed these several times. The material on these are just exquisite. Exquisite. Oh my goodness, these are an SE. The colorway is just awful. Still shot 2 leathers right here if you just like leather simple shoes. 45. Those are imperfect though. Yo, what is this? What is this? Diamond Turf? What is this? Diamond Turf lows right here? Holy cow, looks like it was a return. What's the price on these? $60. Let's say imperfect. 60 bucks. Wow. So that's what, $36? Jordan 13s right here. 40% off, so under 100 bucks. Cortezes right here. These are size 10, 90. So these are gonna be $54. 54 bucks for Cortez, yo. These are classic nylons. 55 for these ice shod. These mocha ice shods are pretty freaking clean. One of the better colorways, in my opinion. 55 for those. What's that, 30 bucks? Terminators, these are going for 55. Monarchs, for those of you with wide feet, 60 for those. Got some Chiefs. Pegasus right here, 140. We've been seeing these at quite a few spots. These are some nice suede. Oh, actually, these aren't even suede. They're buck leather, but it's just so smooth. 110 for those. Size 11.5 Jaw ones. Look at the $60 Jaw ones. You can get Jaw ones for freaking $36. This is just crazy. Those are slightly imperfect. Gently worn Metcon 9s right here, 75. Zion 3s, 100. So at 60 after the discount. Familia Air Max 90s if you need to be extra bright, 160. And then yes, one of the homies did see these here, what, 60 bucks and then 40 off. So $36 for these. One of the homies did pick one up for me, so I don't need to grab one of these 12s. He grabbed a size 11, which fits me perfectly. 12s do fit, but 11s fit me perfectly. And these are how the 11s fit me right here. They fit perfect. Size 12s, there's a little bit of room. A little too much room in the front and the back, but I still prefer those over the 10s. And then it is hot as hell outside, so did throw on a tank top. But yeah, I freaking love these slides, man. Like a 9er colorway. This is just dope. Some would say Bulls, I guess, but yeah, man, it's hot. They got several of these green glows under $100. Under $100, these are $165, and then you get 40 off. Has 11 dunks right here. Clean Adjust Forces, black and white. I don't even think I've even seen these black and white ones. But yeah, 170 for those. Vapor Edge cleats right here. These are some Premier cleats, go for $85. With this 40% off, everything just turns out to be hella cheap. John 1's go for $75. Big Feet Gang right here, size 14, $80. I told you guys they got plenty of these. Size 13s right here. Center Courts, going for $70, size 13. Take Ones. These are the 2s right here, going for $60. Refurb Luca 2s, going for $65. These are slightly imperfect. Size 10. What's this doing over here? $130 for the Air Force One mids right there. Another one of these. I can't believe these made it out the aisle already. Dang, those baby blue ones did make it out the aisles pretty quick. Holy crap. I checked the aisles and wasn't there. Size 14s. Some golf right here, $155. And got these right here. These right here, $100, size 18. I think the slides were like right here, and they sold out pretty quick. Dang, okay. Just good to know. Good to know for the future. All right, let's check out the clearance section right here. I have been looking for some shorts for my high school kid, and not really see much here. This is the small section. I'm not a huge fan of these. $35 for the basketball shorts. See if they have like any fleece shorts or anything. That's what he likes, but not really seeing it. Do got these sweats right here, $40. Remember, it is 40% off the clearance apparel as well. So anything that's decently priced is going to be hella marked down. Even stuff that's not marked down, still not too bad. You know, these go from 80 down to $48. Golf slacks right here, $100 down to 60. Sweats down to 45. 80 for these. Dang, still a lot of stuff regular price. What's up with that? Checking out the shirts. Got Charger shirts, $25. XL right here. Got Dodger shirts right here. What these going for? $40 still. That's still 24, not bad. Is that UCLA? Is this a UCLA hoodie right here? $50. Or is this a Chargers? Doesn't say anything, but we'll wear this with Chargers, UCLA stuff. Charger shirts going for $20. So $12, really? Soccer? I think this is soccer, right? Seattle Storm, or is this WNBA? I don't know. WNBA? Oh, it's WNBA. Yeah. $35 for that. Patriots shirt right here, $20. That's a hell of a deal. $20 and another discount. Got the social status pennies under $100 now, well under $100 now that it's 40% off. They got, I believe this is the blue one, right? The blue colorway as well. I can open this with one hand. Let's try that again. No, this is the same one. Oh, did they sell out of the blue ones already? They had the blue ones and the white ones before, so I would think I'd see a few of them on the back wall. No, there they are. The black and blue. So they still got these, and they're 40% off, $150 as well. Yeah, these kind of remind me like the OGs. Like, I like these a lot. This one has some nice, oh my goodness, that suede is just marvelous. Holy cow, that is just so soft. Holy cow. I love the look of these. They're just, I just don't like the way they fit on feet. There's a big heel to toe drop, so your heel's like really high, the toe's really low, you're slanted forward. I'm just not a fan of. I do have one penny at home, just not a fan. They do got the off-white Air Force Ones still. Was it this spot where someone choked it like really tight? Yeah, I do got these bad boys. $165. 7.5 up to size 12. Size 13 actually, size 13. That fool just wanted those. He just beelined right to the Air Force Ones. Like, yeah, that's what he wanted, huh? Trainers right here. Got Air Force 88s. Got Mac Attacks. Got Terminators. Another Terminator right here. Air Flight Light mids. Got Air Spans right here. Waffles. Do got the waffle. These are the Sakai waffles, right? Yeah, the Sakai waffles right here. Dunks going down and down in price. This was a quick strike. Material's a lot better than just a regular dunk. And yeah, man, about 60 bucks. Got a few different alley-oops right here. Got LeBron Next Gens, $90. Like I said, be patient. These are gonna drop. They're gonna drop. LeBron Witnesses. Got the budget signatures. Got a bunch of those Immortalities. KD Trey 510s. The usual suspect at the outlets. And kind of more of the same old, right? Jordan 7 white infrareds. Jordan 2. This is the Christmas colorway, right? 110 for these bad boys because it says 110 right there. Center courts. Then all kinds of Team Jordans. Been having a ton of these lately. These look awful. They look awful. Fadeaways. Be Loyals right here. Got ton of non-signatures. 40% off. Tech fleece, and we've been seeing that at a few spots. So 100 bucks, 40% off. They got sizes. The blue ones right here, also 100. And then they also got this super light gray one as well. They got this two-tone one on the backside, as well as army green right here. I'll go for 60 bucks, 100. Get another 40% off. These retail for like 160 or one something. I skipped over the sales rack. I didn't even notice it earlier. Do got hoodies right here, $60 for the hoodie. We got $75 Rams hoodies as well. Got some tech fleece that we saw on that other one. Oh, got black ones right here. Oh, these are $145 though. $145. Did you get that 40 off? I got t-shirts and stuff. T-shirts for 20. Get an extra 40 off. I don't know. I don't see too many crazy dope things in the t-shirt section. It is 40% off the back wall, so we're gonna have to check the women's section as well. I've never seen this colorway or the box as well, dude. But yeah, Invincible Run 3s right here. And these are a size 5 women's, 3.5. So kind of like a grade school. That's the smallest grade school size. But yeah, $195. Holy cow, they raised the price. $195. At least you get 40 off. They got some 3s right here. Infinity Run 3s. Go for 90. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s. Dang, this is what I'm looking for. Just a bigger size, obviously. Dang it. 125, hella cheap. Size 9 right here. 120 for the Jordans. Dang, Jordan 2s, 120. Wow. An extra 40 off on top. I was like, what's this? Got a preschool Space Jam 11. Size 2Y. Size 9 right here. Dang it, 7.5. Men's right here. This is clean. This is a clean one. Dang it, not the right size. God dang it, not the right size. Got these right here. Vaporfly 3s. These are 6.5. Regular price though, dang it. Got these right here. Jordan 1 lows right here. Size 9.5. 40 off. That's not bad. Sabrina's right here. These are size 9 women's, 40 off. $130. They made GT cuts in women's sizes. Was not aware of that. But yeah, these are going for 90. Go for 90. Get that 40 off. Seeing what's going on with the women's aisles right here. Got a bunch of blazers. All kinds of blazers. 70 for these bad boys right here. I got a bunch on the back side right here. Oh my goodness, that's down to $40 for the jumbos. I think that's what he's grabbing a bunch of. All kinds of Air Force One platforms right here. Got a regular Air Force One right here. Awful ones. Dunk highs right here. Air Max Thea mids. Another one right here. And dude got Jordans. Got these up to a size 8.5 women's. These are up to size 8.5 as well. Got the UNC to Chicago. A Jordan 1 highs right here. Another one right here. But this is only up to size 10 women's. The grade school got the Barrage. I feel like we've seen this a lot of spots lately. Some mids right here. Those. And then even these dunks, the Chicago dunks, black toe dunks at the outlets. This is grade school. Wow. That's a grade school exclusive color actually. And then Duke got a bunch of generic stuff that people aren't really looking for. People doing it huge. People doing it huge out here. All right, let's see what else. Oh wait, I didn't even notice these boots earlier. I always do a little second walk around. Look at this. $90 for those. Oh, someone was carrying this around earlier and they put it back, I guess. Size 11 right here. You got these $90 and you do get an extra 40% off. So is that 56 bucks, I think? $56. And dang it, maybe should I try these on? Man, I got socks in my car though. I forgot to bring them. Dang it, to my socks. You know what? I might try those on. Let's see. Then one thing I want to show you guys, got like a mishmash of stuff right here. They've had stuff like this on sale for a while. Crew socks right here, $10. They're hella thick, normally 14, so $10 they're down to 6 because it's 40% off. Got some random stuff right here. Skull wrap, what the hell? Yeah, they got stuff. Did check their backpacks. Obviously, I don't see any of the Jordan retro backpacks or the RPMs that I did see at Shoe Palace. At least I know they have them there. I'm really not trying to pay $105. But I do got these Jordan backpacks. Like they're pretty, seems pretty durable. It does have thick, oh, it's just right here. It has thick zippers right there and the regular zipper right there. $60 for these. It does have a pretty thick strap. This is, oh, okay, the strap's a little less thick on that one. $60 for this one. Purplish one right here, $60. No extra discounts off any of these. They have like, what is this, like a tote bag? What the hell? It's canvas though. It is canvas and it is going for what, $40. So I think these are some of my favorite finds of the day. These right here for $56. I'm not gonna go get my socks try on the size 11 because I don't think this colorway is like good for me. It's red, but there's blue and stuff. Not really gonna fit my Niners stuff, and I don't need a bunch of sneakers that the colorways just don't work for me because I'm gonna come across other ones. I'm gonna come across other colorways and stuff like that later on. I'm gonna find refurb, so I don't think I need that. I do have these. These are well under $100, so $105, and then these are what, 60 something dollars. That's one of the cheapest we've seen. We saw the Jaw ones right here for $36. Geodomes, these were just hella cheap. Like, we've seen a lot of deals. 40% off makes a world of a difference. Wow. There's jackets only, but what jackets? Those ain't even jackets. These ain't even jackets, these are hoodies. So what jackets? I don't know. But let's take a look at this. These are going for $70. I really like these flight ones, man. I don't think I have, oh, I do have one of the flight ones, but I think we've covered everything, you guys. We have covered everything. This is Nike outlet or Nike community store, Watts. Plenty of stuff here. One of my favorite Nike outlets. All right, we out, man. We out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button, do all that good stuff. And we out, man. We out. Got plenty coming. All right, Nike outlet Watts. Nike outlet orange also has the same deal. And that's for stuff like this. Man, look at this. $60. That's what, $36 for Jaw ones. Invincible Run Flyknits. Look at this, $90. So that's what, $56 for Invincible Run Flyknits. Holy cow. Got Jordan 1 High OGs. Got so many of these. You can see them all in the background. And these are down to $105 before the discount. So that's what, $65 for Jordan 1 High OGs. Are you effing serious? And then also Jordan 2s for $70. That's what, $40 something after discount. Wow. 40% off at some of the Nike outlets. I don't know all of them, but here in orange, definitely got it. We talk about this on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Full video coming. See ya.